Boom, what's up y'all? It's your boy Big Rel right here with another light product review. This is a open box. This company called Betopper. They hit me up, they sent me 2 lights. I said, okay, let me check these lights out real quick. Right now we got the 150 watt beam light right here. We call this the LB150. Okay, it's a small unit, it's very strong, it's 100 watts LED. It's an LCD display, DMX channel, sleigh, sound, all this in one little unit. I'm telling you right now, I'm about to go ahead and open the box, see what's inside real quick. Once again, this is Betopper's LB150. Is a beam. I seen it online. Right now, I'm going to go check it out in person. So we're going to open the box, check out the display, and see how it's going to look, okay? Let's see what we got inside. I already pre-opened it already because I was excited. We got the manual. We got the warranty card. We got the bracket to hang the light on a T-bar or a rack. What else we got here? Safety hooks. All this come in one package. We got the power cord. It's about 4 feet. All right. Let's see what's inside the box again. Let's unpackage it. I'm excited. Oh, it also comes with a DMX cord. I might not use this. It's kind of rubbery, but let's see. Let's get the unit out real quick. Alright. That's it. That's all in the box. This is the unit. As y'all see, the unit. Woo, the unit is very, very small. A lot of Betopper lights I have seen are very small, but this is a beam. And you see how small it looks. It don't look too oldish. It's good quality. As you see in the front, we got the LCD display. Let's see how bright that's going to be. Then in the back, we got the power cord in, out, DMX in and out. We got the fuse. We don't got no power switch on this one right here. So this is the unit. I like how the logo is inside the unit. It's not a sticker or nothing like that. It looks well branded. The pan is 540 degrees. The tilt is 270. I'm telling you, it's 11 colors open. We got 8 to 16 prisms and 11 gobos on this. So I'm gonna hook it up to my lighting program real quick to see how it runs on my lighting program. I use the Wolf Mix. So yeah, it's very light. It's under 10 pounds. Under 10 pounds. You can't. This is real light, man. I can hang 4 of these with no problem. So right now, this is the Betopper LB150. I just took it out the box. Here's all the accessories. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this joint up and show some examples how it look with a little bit of haze around here. Hey, yes it is, your boy Big Rel. Let's go. All right, y'all, listen. I got the 2 units hooked up right now with a little bit of haze in here. As you see, the haze, how the beams are very tight. The display on these units are very, very, let me say, up to date looking. All right, we got the, let's go through some menus real quick. We got the address, the run mode, some other controls. I like how the menu is very, very simple. I got 2 units right now. Let's see how some of these run modes go. I got the 2 units on auto mode right now. I got some haze going on in here. And what I can say for where I'm at right now, for my distance, they look really, really nice. They got the gobos, the prisms. So my final thought about these units right now. They're nice and small. Good for not major events, I don't think, like big concert events, but especially for small band setups. This is very, very good. The units are very quiet. It's not that loud, but like I said, these are only 150 watts. I own more powerful lights, but for what I see, these lights are very, very quiet. I like the look of it. Look very modern. Click the link in my bio, in my description for a purchase today. These lights are always listed as a good price. So every time you log on the website, you might see a different price. But these prices for these units are very, very budget. That's all I gotta say, budget. This is just the auto mode. This is pretty good. As you see, I got some gobos. Let's see what some prisms we got here. Oh, I like that. I like that. Add some color. Yes, this little light right here. Like I said, this unit right here is budget ready. Like I said, this unit right here is budget ready. I like the fact it's very quiet. So, click the link below and make a purchase today. It's Betopper LB150, 150 watt beam light. Yes. So, it's your boy Big Rail TMA's me. I'm out of here.